Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Oh, we still have so much snow outside and we're getting more, but we have a Mr. Maple box to unbox today, which makes me think of happy plants. Okay, Mr. Maple has had some really good sales going on. If you haven't had a chance yet to check out their website, this is not sponsored at all, but I just find they really have good deals. And at a time of year where you're looking for something interesting right now, this might be something you want to look at. And I am so excited about these. This is a conifer that I was waiting to get, and look at the color. It is yellow, and that's why it has the fabulous name of gold coin. So gold coin is a winter yellow Scots pine, and it does get to be about 10 feet in 10 years if it's in the ground, but you can control its size by pruning it, by candling it, which I'm going to do, and it's hardy down to zone 3. So that means I could keep it in a pot too. You know, this time of year, you want to look outside and see something interesting. And this color is just going to be so bright in the garden. And I don't really have anything like that. So when I saw gold coin come up, I was thrilled. Now, in the summer, it turns green, and it's going to look like a regular pine. It's only in the cold weather that it turns to this gold color, and I just think that is so fabulous. Something different, which is what I'm really looking for here. Now, you can grow this up to about zone 8, so zone 3 to 8. It doesn't like the super hot weather. This is a good pine for you cold weather people who, like me, still have lots of snow out there. You might want to put gold coin on your list. Now, if you're like, oh yes, I want a gold coin, and you go to Mr. Maple and it's not in stock, you can put a notify me now, and they'll send you an email when it becomes available. That's worth doing. I have a number of plants that are on my list that I'm hoping become available, and this was one that I had my eyes out for. Okay, and then in here, I have a rock garden holly. Now, for those of you who have been following me for a while, yes, I got a rock garden holly just like this last year. However, the rock garden holly is hardy down to zone 6. So we're like 6B, 7A. And I got it in the winter and I just stuck it out on the deck. And it didn't have enough protection around it because it's not hardy down to zone 3 like this one where I can really leave it in a pot. This needs to go in the ground. So needless to say, I failed my first time with rock garden. The reason I want this particular holly is that it grows so slow. And we're talking an inch a year, maybe 2 inches a year. So in 10 years, 10 inches tall. It's going to be nice and tiny, but it keeps its winter interest. It does get red berries. I think that this is a great addition, especially if you have a smaller yard. We know that some types of holly get huge. I'm thinking of my grandmother's house that had a gorgeous, but like 15-foot tall holly. And I don't have space for that. So the rock garden holly is a great one. Now, when I was online yesterday, looking at their website yet again, they still had some of these in stock. So you might be wise to get one before they're out of stock, but also you could put a notify me now once it becomes available. So this is hardy zone 6 to 9. So we're going to cover a little bit more of our warmer area there, and they really don't like it super, super cold. This is going to go into the ground. So I'm going to keep it in here until it warms up and then plant it in the ground so that we have some protection around the roots here. Oh, so those are my 2 exciting deliveries today. And you know, good ones when there's still snow out there, because I'm like, it's not hopeless when there's snow. I can still plant things that next year when the snows are going to look beautiful. A big thank you to Mr. Maple. Oh, and if you are down south, Mr. Maple is in North Carolina. and they're having an open house in April. I have to say, if I lived anywhere close, I would be bringing my car and filling it up with all great plants. So you might want to look into that if you are close to where they are. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.